The road to free honey, part 2. So in today's video, like I said in the last one, we need to make a hive stand. So this old pallet, I'm going to chop these lugs off, flip it over, chop these lugs off, and with these 4 brackets that we got off the old interweb, we're going to attach these to the corners, and hopefully that's going to be a hive stand. So it's going to be a quick video today. So yeah, let's get the trim tool out. So these are the feet. Obviously that's going to go to the ground because this is upside down. They're going to go, I'll have to put them through there and then into there, or at the side here, I don't know. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? I think they're going to be stronger if we go through there and then that fastens to there. And there's an hole here to come through for that. I think that's going to be the best thing. So need a drill bit, get a tape measure, find what diameter that is, and then we can drill 4 holes, put them through, fasten them up. Job's a good one. So 20mm bolt, we've got a 27mm also. I'm going to smash that through there. So using that as a guide, I'll drop that on there, right round with a pencil, centre, on all 4. That on that side, that on that side. Yep, job's a good one. Oh, that was hot. All 4 holes done. Now we just need to attach these brackets, put that through, put a knot on first though. Something like that. All 4 on. Bolted underneath. flip it over and see how it stands. Is it high enough? I suppose we can adjust it on the bolts. But yeah, let's get an hive on and see what it's like. So, the road to free honey, part 2, hive stand completed. Next problem, next video, is where we're going to put it. We're going to go in that corner, that corner, that corner, or that corner. Who knows? See you on the next video.